Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. You are watching Vehicular and I am Sunil Joshi. So if you are new to this channel, then press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates regarding used vehicles in your city. So today we have a Gypsy King, which is basically brought from army auction. It is a 99 model. As you can see in the video, it has been fully restored. The engine has been fully rebuilt from scratch, and the condition of the car is in mint, means it's really in good condition. You can see the mag wheels, you can see tires are 80 to 90% done. As you know, Maruti Gypsy has been one of the legendary vehicles of our country. It has served army and it is one of the best vehicles for off-road. If you are interested in off-roading, this is the best. And as you can see in this video, the vehicle is a soft top vehicle and perfectly done for off-roading. But if you want to modify, you can also modify it. So friends, if you like this video, then press the like button and share the video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Bye bye. Take care.